HDI Air Pak series. Component function locations. Warning: please read and follow all labels and the owner's manual carefully. Let's take a look inside the case of the HDI Air Pak. The main circuit breaker, CB1, is located inside the service door on the right side, just in front of the inverter. The HDI also has CAN bus communication capabilities and provides a variety of operational and error state data. A 6-pin Deutsch connector is located on the lower side of the unit where all the user connections are made. The weld output panel clearly indicates the positive and negative weld output terminals. The battery charge panel, which utilizes an Anderson-style connector. On the optional auxiliary remote panel, there are two 120-volt GFCI receptacles and one 120-240-volt receptacle. It's recommended to only test and reset the GFCI receptacles with the generator running at full speed. This ensures there is full voltage at the receptacle and that the internal components are not damaged when testing or resetting. The 120-240-volt receptacle provides full generator output from receptacle for high-demand tools like pumps or weld inverters. As always, please review the owner's manual for additional information.